Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I am your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I am going to show you how to propagate a succulent called stonecrop. The scientific name of this is really a tongue twister. Let me see if I can get it right. Crassula mesembryanthemoides. Oh, I got it. Great. Okay, so I'll show you. If you have seen my previous videos, you must have seen that I had made this planter in which I had put so many different kinds of succulents. So this one, this tall one with these spiky leaves, and the leaves have a little bit of white bristles on it, so it gives it a frosty kind of look. So this is the stonecrop succulent, and so this one was in shade, and because this was inside, and you can see that it grew really tall and very leggy, lot of space between the two leaf sets. So that wasn't good, and that's the reason this kind of bent like this, and it's not doing well. So in any case, I wanted to show you how to propagate it. So I'm going to just cut it here. Okay, so now you can see properly that this is a succulent called stonecrop. So there are two ways of propagating it. One is from the leaves and one is from the cutting. So we already have a cutting. I'll just cut it into two parts. And then what you do is that you remove the bottom leaves. So basically just push them in the opposite direction of the leaves growing, and now this is ready for the plantation. And same thing here, you can just push it on the other side. Since stonecrop likes soil with good drainage, I have mixed a lot of coarse sand in the potting soil mix. So I'm just going to make a hole in it and just stick it in. And the same thing I'll do with this one. Basically, at least one node should go inside the soil so that the roots can develop there. Node is the place where the leaves and the roots go. So this is one way of doing it. Then the second method is using these leaves. So you lay out the leaves in a shaded area so that the callus forms on the broken end, and that way when the leaves go on the soil, they don't rot. And then just lay them out on the soil, and that's it. So the example of this you have already seen, that it grew like this just from the cutting, and I want to show you that how the leaves grew. So I had done this thing with these leaves. I just left them in this planter on the soil, and as you can see, in 3 to 4 weeks new leaves are coming out of those leaves. So that's about it. And the only thing you have to do is that you have to place it inside your house where it gets a lot of light. It doesn't need direct sunlight, but it should get bright light so that they can grow. So put it on a windowsill and spray it once in a while when you feel that the soil is dry, and they'll just start growing like this. And once they start to grow like this, you can put them in full sun. I mean full sun, when I say full sun, a place where it can get at least a few hours of sunlight. So it's been about 6-7 weeks, and if you look at the two stems that we had planted in this planter, so we had cut it here, this brown thing, and at the bottom node this growth happened. You can see. And similarly in the other one, we cut it here, this brown thing, and the node below it, from there this plant has started growing. We had planted 3 leaves in there, so one leaf it started to grow very nicely. It has a few leaves coming out of it. The second one, it is just developing 2 very tiny leaves, and the third one probably dried out. And this was our other planter in which we had just the leaves. They were quite small at that time, and now they are becoming big. And if you look at this mother plant, you see that brown stem. That's what we had cut on the top, and just below the cut, at the node, two of the new branches have started. So cutting a plant actually makes it bushier, because now the two branches are coming out of that one branch. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.